the sound is way too loud. Guess I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean and too small to fit the crowd. Guess I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl.
You guys, it's been too long. Okay, I don't know, I'm just picking up this camera because I'm moving, guys, and I just want to complain.
Oh, really? The word dripped skepticism like the candles around them dripped wax. Because I could have sworn that when she dumped you, she didn't dump me.
No, my mom's contemplating getting this rug for her room.
Sorry, I'm watching a vlog. It looks such a mess, but you guys should just manage me. I'm trying to pack all my food stuff. I have a box of my food things in here. It's just a complete mess so far, and it's really overwhelming because like I'm packing, but then it's not even looking like I'm packing. Hey guys, I am currently in IKEA. I'm trying to find a few things for my bedroom, and I'm getting distracted by all the beautiful rooms, but yeah. You guys, like, what am I doing driving a truck like this? Like, what am I even doing here right now? Hold on. So I have a few things, like some furniture that I do not want anymore that I'm getting dumped. But I don't own a big car, and so I needed to rent a U-Haul, and this is the only size they had, and it's huge. Okay, reverse, you guys, please pray for me. God, this feels like BC all over again. Please, God, help me get back out of here. Please let me not break something. Drive. You guys, behind the scenes that you don't see. Hey, I don't suffer for this place. I think we might be able to do this. So I don't know, because I can go forward, but I don't know if there's space for this big U-Haul, you know? So I'm just gonna see. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So I'm just gonna go back the way I came in. But that just means backing out this huge car. But I think once you kind of get the direction, then you just go straight. So I'm just going back straight now. And I think I won't bump anything. You guys, why am I in this position? Like, what am I doing here? That's just the question I have. But anyway, on better news, today is my move-in day. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm fully moved out of this place, so this is the place where I was living before, and I'm fully moved out of here. This was the last kind of step. God, please let me not be scratching anything. Please, God. Please, God. Oh my Lord. I don't think I am. Okay, first. Come on, you can do it, girl. Okay. Please. Okay. What if there's a car behind me and I don't know? Oh God, Jehovah, it's only I would have seen it, right? I would have seen it if there was a car. I think I'm okay. This right here is too much. Okay, we're in the clear, guys. I can finally drive to my dumping destination. So I need to use Google Maps. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Bye. That's what I was dumping. Bye. I ain't never gonna see y'all again. Guys, quick lesson from all of this is do not buy things you know you don't need. I've just gotten into this era where I am so done having unnecessary things in my house. They just stress me out. They just clutter the place, and it's also just so difficult to get rid of here in Canada. Like, you have designated places for dumping stuff, and they're out of your way. Like, look, I had to rent a U-Haul just to get rid of this. Like, never again. The next time I'm buying furniture or any type of anything, I'm gonna make sure I have the space for it and that I want it for a long period of time, because I'm not doing this again. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson, but at the same time, I'm proud of myself because I did this all by myself. Although there was a man who met me here and he helped me kind of push them out of the U-Haul. Oh Lord, today drained me.
1, 2, 3, 4. No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty.
Not me about to fall. Hey guys, so I just came on here to quickly quickly update you guys, because it's looking, obviously my background and everything's looking a bit different. Anyway, your girl, there's so many mosquitoes in this garage. Anyway, your girl moved, so I moved to a different place, and that's why you see me in a different place, like in a different house. And so all my stuff is still in the garage and hasn't moved in. So anyway, this vlog is a hiking vlog, right? So I'm taking you guys along with me as I go hiking, but all my stuff is here in the garage, and so I'm gonna pack my bag here because I don't have anything in the house. Stuff right here. Look at this. You know that weird stage? Anyway, Nana, don't talk too much. This is my mirror, guys. I got this from IKEA. I'm so excited to put it into the house. I'm gonna try and start finding what I'm wearing tomorrow. I have like a vlog that was supposed to come out today. It's currently 12 a.m. I don't know if it's kind of pointless to expect myself to be able to edit this vlog and get it out before I go to bed tonight, and I still have a hike tomorrow. I have a problem, but anyway, that's on that. This battery's about to die, but I'm just gonna pack my stuff, get my bag ready, and I'll show you guys when I'm done doing that. Night hike. So we are hiking all through Saturday and then sleeping up on the mountain and coming back the next day. So I need food for the hike up. So like a lunch, I need a dry pack of food for probably dinner that day when we finally settle down, and I need lunch for coming back down. And yeah, breakfast will be served already. I just need lunch for coming back down the next day, which would be Sunday. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm packing for this hike. I've got a bunch of water. I have some juice. This might just be for the way to the hike. I have my lunch for the next day. So I just have bagels, everything bagels with some cream cheese, some cucumbers, and narchies or tangerines. And then I have dehydrated meal packs, 2 of those. And then I just got like a bag of snacks, so crackers. No entertainment today, guys, because I'm gonna be hiking. There's literally no point. No point. Backpack, 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 backpack. Girl, Michaela, say hi.
How's it going?
So yes, we are gonna be tackling this hike today together, and yeah, I'm so excited. Awesome. I'm all about that stuff, you know.
I'm so stoked because I have some friends and like.
You guys, we're already out of breath. We just started.
I swear I didn't mean
Yes, Michaela, how's it going so far?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. You're making it through. Yeah, you're legit pushing it through. Hey guys, so we are past halfway. We're almost there. I'm like touching my fingers. My legs are shaking. I can barely breathe.
fun not to forget. But halfway in, I noticed it was just an outlet. Anyone so alone. What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right.
Hey guys, I think we're almost there. And you know that last bit of energy that you use to push when you have hope? Yeah, that's what I'm using. So yeah. At this point I'm like, oh gosh, I can't wait. I cannot tell you how rewarding it is to finally arrive. So we're at the lake. Michaela and I were just wondering, it's so weird how there's a lake at the top of the mountain. Like, it's just so weird. But I think it's glacier water. So anyway, we're here, we're trying to find our campground now. And it's just so gorgeous and quiet and so peaceful down here, up here. But yeah, you guys, tired is not even the word. Tired ain't even the word. But I think we found our spot.
Anyone so alone. What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right. Anyone, lend me a hand. I can't stop these nightmares
And there we have gas.
from eating me up.
Different place. And then
Every
this turns
time it
pink
gets dark.
when all done and yummy. I just it's not bad. Anyway guys, I wanted to show you what we have to do with all our food and also your garbage, because we're in backcountry and there's bears here. You have to make sure that your food is packed away in something like this, and then we hang it up like really high where the bears can't get it, right? Yeah, so we're about to go figure out where we can hang this guy. All our food is in here, and then we just have our water, you know. Yeah, that's all. Goodbye, food.
On the balcony.
Good morning, guys. It's the next morning and I slept so good. Like, I don't ever want to wake up. I slept really good. I never showed you guys our tent and what's in here. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, it's the next morning. We're gonna get up now and get our day started. Yay! So the hike we did yesterday, we're gonna go down. Since we were climbing up yesterday, today we're gonna go all the way down. Also, you guys, yesterday we woke up at 4 a.m. and we were so lucky to see the northern lights. I'm gonna see if I can insert some pictures so you guys can see that. It was so beautiful to be able to see those northern lights pump by, like, with our own eyes. I was so excited. And then we came back to bed. So this is what our tent looks like. We have these packs that you blow up, like, which you guys probably saw us blow up. We have our sleeping bags, and our bags are outside, and the tent and the light. Yeah. Welcome to our abode. Breakfast, guys. Good morning, Michaela.
Morning.
So we're having bagels with avocado, lettuce, cheese, tomato, cream cheese, and I'm about to dig in. The hair is not giving. And we're off. Are you ready, girl? Yeah, Day 2. We're almost there, but you can see. Hello, Abraham Lake. High five, girl. We actually did that. We are the gals. You guys, we made it down, not before me falling. So to burn.
It is. But it will be worth it. And also you can put this oil in the
You're stronger. You're stronger. Oh, this is so sad. Oh, they scraped me good. It's Little Miss. I finished my hike today. Yeah, today. Even though I'm bruised and battered, I fell so many times. And then just before we were about to finish our hike, I fell so bad. So my leg is burning, but I'm still so happy. I'm driving home. It's been a really good 2 days. Michaela's like the best. So shout outs to you, mate. Shout outs to you, girl. Yeah. But yeah, I'm about to dress this so that I can chill for the rest of the evening. I think it was 5 hours that we hiked for, and that was just going up. And then the weird thing is, the lake that you guys saw was literally on the top of the mountain, which I find so weird and so cool at the same time. Like there's a lake at the top of the mountain. Yeah, so yeah, we got to the lake and like immediately I took a dunk in the water, and it was the most amazing thing I've ever done. That was so cool. Okay, yeah, we had dinner and then we went to bed. And then guys, I think the highlight of this was also that around 4 a.m. we were able to see the northern lights. Like I'll put a picture. I couldn't take a video picture. I took a bunch of pictures, and so I'll show you guys what that looks like. It was so gorgeous, and Michaela took some really good pictures too. And then that was like at 4 a.m. Then we went back to bed, woke up at like I think 8 or 9 or something, and then we had breakfast. It was such a slow morning. We had breakfast, we chilled, we were chatting, and then yeah, we gathered our stuff, got ready, and started to head back down. And so we're coming from the top down, and that's when I fell because it's still really steep. So coming down, you really have to be careful. And yeah, guys, it was just really amazing. It got done, and I feel so accomplished. I feel so proud of myself. And yeah, I think I'll definitely do this again. You know, I want to try a lot of different hikes. Take advantage of the scenery in your area, and don't like think that, oh, you have to go to, I don't know, Costa Rica, Mexico, blah blah blah, to see all this good stuff. But go around, and I'm sure where you stay there's a place you can hike. Go and take walks. You have no idea how therapeutic that is, and how you will feel so rejuvenated and fresh after just taking a walk. Listen to music. Just, you know, take care of yourself. And yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. Take care of yourself, guys. Go and do things that make you happy. Go and do things that give you energy, that make you feel alive, you know. And I really feel alive right now. But anyway, guys, after this I'm gonna edit the vlog, the Zambezi vlog. It was supposed to come out last week, but it didn't. That's another thing. I'm so done pressuring myself to get these vlogs out quickly because it's clearly not working. And I'm just gonna try my best. But yes, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling now. I picked up the camera to let you guys know that I got back home safely. I came home, took a shower, I washed my hair, I put a mask on my face. I am dressing my wound, and yeah, I wanted to say thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope this inspires you guys to do something challenging. You know, it feels, the high that you have after doing something challenging is just amazing. It feels good. So yeah, I hope you guys are inspired, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to, you can subscribe. And yeah, guys, it's been really great vlogging this for you guys. As always, it's always a pleasure for me to do that. I'll see you guys in the next one.